Hello AT Nation, welcome back to my channel. My name is ANZA-Tshilidzi Ramabulana. For those who are new, welcome. Please join the AT Nation by hitting the subscribe button down below, okay? So today we are doing another product review. So the product I'm reviewing today is STYLER gel. I know I'm very late with this. It's like a popular gel, but I had never used it on my natural 4C hair, but I have. So you need to watch to see how it holds up, okay? So I got this from Discount for like 109 rands, and it's the crystal version of it. There's a lot. There's like the olive oil, something like that. There's like the one that comes with a black tub, green in color. So there's plenty of them, but I found this one at Discount and I was like, why not? So stay to the end of the video to see how I achieved this style and how it actually held up. So for the first part, I am just unplaiting my hair. I had twisted it overnight just to stretch it out a little bit, and prior I had done the lock method just to moisturize my hair. Now I am just combing through the gel and applying it as much as possible. What I had seen is that it started flaking at this point, but it later got resolved. I'm just applying more gel just to make sure that I get the max hold. I'm just taking a scrunchie or an elastic band just to tie my pony up. I tried tying it higher, but I saw that my hair is too short for it to be like a perfect ninja bun. And now I am just laying my edges using more gel and an old toothbrush. I'm just putting on a silk scarf around my head, but I then realized that the scarf was not tight enough, so I went and fetched another hair tie thing and just wrapped it around. Now, as you can see, I am removing the scarf, or rather I am very pleased with the results because it turned out pretty well and I feel like I really like it. It's giving me max hold vibes. My ledges are well laid, so I am very happy with the STYLER gel. Now for the ponytail, I am using an afro twist which I had attached onto a ribbon. You can watch how I prep this hair in my previous video, which I'll link up here and also in the description box below. And I am just twisting it around and wrapping around my hair. I occasionally put in bobby pins to make sure that it is secure. Now I am just spraying it with some sheen spray to make sure that the gel doesn't look dull. And now I am just adding a gold and silver string. I was undecided whether to use gold or silver, so I decided to go for both. And this is optional. If you don't want it shiny and all that stuff, you can leave this step out. And so this is the style. This is actually at the end of the day. I've been out and back, so this actually held out up a lot. Like, it's still tight. The only thing that I would say scared me when I was applying and brushing through my hair, I was getting a lot of flaking residue, but I think that was just the combination between the gel and my hair cream. So the moment I put it on, it was flaking, but when I laid it down with the scarf, it laid down well. Yeah, so I think it held out very well, and my edges are still laid for the guard, because with the other gels, normally I still have this part like laid, but the edges are already moving around. But I literally feel like my edges are stuck on my face. So this is a really good affordable gel. I'll continue using it with more styles, experimenting with hairstyles. So you better subscribe to see all of this amazing content. And once more, I created a very interesting video the past week on gender-based violence. Please go check out the video. I'll actually link it up here and at the end of the video and down in the description box. So if you want to watch that video, just go check it out and leave your comment. That's all from me today. Bye. I'm giving you the angle view because the light is just